Alright, troubleshooting internet issues. The internet comes in to the hut from outside. Really difficult to write apparently when you're looking through a video screen. From outside, comes into the modem, then goes to routers from there, and then we have let me see, there is the one that is controlling Touch Bistro, and then there is one that's controlling all the other connections. These are all Wi-Fi in both directions. So if you have Touch Bistro not working, but you have internet working, or you, actually let's back up, scratch that. I'll come back to this diagram in a second. Let's see, we have, off of one of these as well, we have the phone system. This is the phone router. This is the ARIS modem, which is the main access point for the building. And then we have one of the two Wi-Fi routers and two of the two Wi-Fi routers. Okay, so if we have Touch Bistro not working on an iPad, but we have the other iPads working or whatever else, we know it's probably either a router controlling Touch Bistro, or it's the software itself. I'm not going to get into the resetting the software part in this video, but
close the app and reopen. Close the app and reopen. Close the app and reopen.
Danica says close the app and reopen 3 or 4 times. That's how you fix Touch Bistro. But before I get that far, what I would do, so you've got lights on the modem, that's saying there should be internet connection. There's no bunch of green lights over here that suggesting that there's good connections there. There's nothing funky on that screen suggesting there's good connections there. I'm going to open up a Safari browser and just double check it's working. So I might go, let's go to Google. Okay, I'm feeling lucky. This should take us to a random website. You can look up YouTube or whatever else. Okay, it's working. So we have an internet connection here. If Touch Bistro still isn't working, it's probably a Touch Bistro software issue, not an internet access issue, because we know that Google's working. If we don't have internet working, then I'm going to go back to the next level. Okay, well, it's probably one of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of devices that we have that control internet coming into the building. Let's unplug from the wall power to all of that stuff so it all resets. Plug it back in after, I don't know, 20 seconds, and either it will reconnect or it won't. We're going to look here till all the lights come back on. If the lights don't come back on and we don't have internet back and we've waited, I don't know, 5 minutes and it doesn't come back on, then we need to call who's the internet company?